Good morning dear students. In last video we have studied about methods of solving linear equation in two variables. I have told you four methods to solving linear equation in two variables. Okay, the four methods was graphical method, substitutional method, elimination method and fourth cross multiplication method. Okay. In last video I have told you about graphically method. We have solved many problems and I have sent you image of exercise graphical problem. You all have solved it. If you have any problem, you can contact me by WhatsApp, call and other. And now the next video, the three main methods to solving linear equation in two variables. And the first is substitutional method. So in this video we have studied about substitutional method. How can we solve pair of simultaneous equation of linear equation in two variables by substitutional method. Okay, let's start video. There is a some substitutional method and here is a question. X minus y is equal to 5 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 6. These are two simultaneous equations of linear equation in two variables and these equations are simultaneous equations. In substitutional method, we are solving this equation for x and y. Okay, if we talk about substitutional method, so what is the mean of substitute in cricket? If we talk about cricket, in cricket a substitute player, if a player is injured, then we have a choice, a next batsman to substitute injured batsman. Okay, so in substitutional method we have substitute the value of x or y in equation and find solution. Let's see. X minus y is equal to 5 is your first equation and 4x plus 3y is equal to 6 is your second equation. You are free, you can choose any equation, or equation first or equation second. First choose equation to yourself, you are free. I am taking here first equation and I have substitute the value of x. Okay. So if we talk about first equation, x minus y is equal to 5, we have substitute the value either x or y. So I am substituting the value of x, then x is equals to 5 plus y. This is the value of x. We have found this value from equation first and we have put this value on equation second. Okay. What is your second equation? 4x plus 3y is equal to 6. We have find the value of x is equal to 5 plus y. So we substitute the value of x in second equation. X is equal to 5 plus y. 4x 5 plus y plus 3y is equal to 6. We have substituted the value of x. This equation is only in the form of y, not x, because we have substituted the value of x in equation second. Multiply 4 5s are 20, 4y plus 3y is equals to 6, 7y is equals to 20 minus 6, then y is equal to 14 by 7, y is equals to 2. Finally we have got the value of y is equals to 2. Put this value in x is equals to 5 plus y, the substitute value of x. Now x is equals to 5 plus y, then x is equals to 5 plus 2. We have got the value of x is equals to 7. Okay, this is our final answer. X is equals to 7 and y is equals to 2. Then now I am telling you a trick to check yourself that your answer is correct or incorrect. You have find the value of x and y. Now we can put these value in our both equations. X minus y is equals to 4 and 4x plus 3y is equals to 6. Okay? If we want to check our solution is right or not, in your rough copy, x minus y is equals to 5. You have find the solution of x and y. Put the value of x and y. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. 5 is equals to 5. LHS is equals to RHS. Yani your answer is correct. X is equals to 7 and y is equals to 2. This is the method to solve. This is the method of solving linear equation in two variable simultaneous equations by substitutional method. I think you all have understood this question very properly. Okay? Then now in your next exercise, all exercise depend on substitutional method. You can solve these equations very easily. If you have any problem, any queries, you can contact me via WhatsApp or call. Okay, dear students? Then now I am taking an example. Let's see. In exercise 3C. In exercise 3C, here, solve the following pair of linear equation by substitutional method. From question number 1 to 19. 19 questions are very easy and they are related to substitutional method. Okay, dear students, I have messaged you and I have sent you a pic of this exercise so that you can solve it very easily. Okay, so I am with you in next video, another video, and that video is depend on substitutional method language problem. Okay, then I will see you next video. Okay.